start Chits drawing. Let him start. Previous already video I told start with basics. Let him start. Basic shapes I'll draw it, then detail it of the diagram. Okay, let him start. Already I sketched it in basic shapes. Then outline. Based on the outlines, I'll refer to the chicks diagram. How can easy to you can draw the 3-dimensionally you can figure it out. That is our intention. The chicks will come like a chubbies and attract. So the angry face will be that point of view, the eyes ball a little bit angry face, very cute. The diagram, just feel it, and feather, detailing the feather first lightly within the pencil. I light diagram it, and after that I started with little bit darker, using the 6B pencils and dark it. Then I remove the basic shapes, I erase, then I start color. Lightly first apply the light colors, middle tone, then dark tone. First I'll apply middle tone, then wherever highlight part I'll leave it, then a little bit dark of the wherever dark tone is based on the lighting 3-dimension you can feel. So I blend with the round shape you should be, means the dimension you should be show. Light tone, middle tone, dark tone. After this a little bit background I'll work, background and foreground also. Why? Because that character should be come out. The background should be helping for main figure. After little bit I detail, I think this is enough. Everyone understanding that how the character will come. See how much detail, this is enough. Beginners, thank you.